Hello, it's John Piper with the Tuesday video, and it's Tuesday the 10th of October. Looking at Bitcoin, we still have this head and shoulders thing here, and the only area that's changing obviously is the right hand side of the chart. Let's have a look at that first. Going to 3-month chart, there's a hourly chart. So we've got the ABC still. It does look correctly. I mean, it does suggest we're going to see a pullback. It could be an A wave actually. It could be an A, a B, and then a C. Because if we go back to the more graphic chart, you can see this is quite a big left shoulder, and certainly the right shoulder has a scope to do an ABC and then another ABC wave for the right shoulder. But it all looks corrective, so I think as I said before, I think the main direction is down. But we could see another C wave first before that happens. But the head and shoulders seems to be the preferred count here, as opposed to the 1, 2, 1, 2. Mainly because it's ABC, which is obviously a corrective formation. That could change. It could be a 1, 2, 1, 2, and a third of a third. But right now it doesn't look that way inclined. I'll just go down to a shorter term chart just to check out the form of this ABC. There's not really much to go on, is there really? I mean, it does look like a very corrective sort of move, really. A, B, C to there, a bit of a spike there, but there's really nothing to suggest we're going up at this point, I wouldn't say. There's very little. Right, if I'm looking at the 5-year chart, and we've got the massive great peak up at 4,800 odd. Big ABC decline. This all looks very corrective in comparison. Go down to a shorter term chart, and there are some positives. And that could be a 1, I suppose, 2. Same as Bitcoin, really. I mean, we've got a few indications possibly, but not really enough to say this is an impulsive move. And there are a couple of spikes there, but again, it's really not much to write home about. I think, again, I think we're probably going down, not up. Although we could see, an A, B, and a C perhaps before that happens. Alright, gold's I see an ABC down to here, and it's possible this actually is a new uptrend beginning. I think gold has a very rosy future right now. Got a bit overbought, that's always going to happen from time to time. That accounts for the sell-off from 2080 down to 1800 odd. But I believe it's going to be seeing a very substantial rally, as I believe I believe fiat currency will come under a lot of pressure going forwards, and thus the gold will buy more and more of that fiat currency as it deteriorates, perhaps rather than gold increases as such. The actual value of gold may not change, but in terms of fiat currency, it will be priced much higher over coming months, if that makes sense. This could become a 5, because it could be a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So, I mean, more downside is a possibility here. I'll go down to a shorter term chart, to a month chart, adds very much to the equation. 1, 2, 3. I mean, there are 5 here. You can see 1. So I'll put it on the chart. Okay, so we've got the 1 here, 2, ABC 2, big gap, 3, so there, ABC 4, 1, 2, a nice clear, very clear, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes of change. So now we've got an A, a B and a C coming in, I expect. So I think this is going to be a great buying opportunity on gold. This could be a very important low, in fact, coming in, and this could be something to certainly get on board. Let's put the ABC on the chart. I wouldn't say a huge decline, so the wave 4 support, 30.2, may well hold this decline. If that's the A, then also the A and the B the A and the C would be around the same level. The C will be slightly longer, but that's quite usual anyway. So I'd look initially for support around 1840, then 50% level at 1830. Very small numbers on 1838. Very close together, in fact, and I think gold, as I say, will be doing very well going forwards. The chart of silver's got this A, B, C with a possible fifth wave due, but this could actually be the start of the uptrend here. Let's go down to a 1 month chart with a bit more detail. It looks pretty correct here, in fact, with a sort of A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4. So not so clear here. I mean, I think I would expect gold and silver to move in harmony, and the low could be in, but this doesn't. You know, the technicals aren't really weighing up at the moment. I'll stick with gold for the time being until this becomes a bit clearer, I think. Right, first is a bit betwixt and between here. We've got this sort of triangular type thing here. Let me just shrink this chart a bit, or expand this chart, I should say. So we've got the all-time peak with an A, B, C, D, E. I think that's probably an A wave, in fact. A, B, C, B wave, with a possible C wave now coming in. The only contraindication is this fairly rapid move up here, but that could be an ABC, A, B, C. So I think, I mean, this could become an A, a B, and a C, but I think if that is the case, we'll then see a reversal. So a retest of the all-time high, perhaps, and then a break, and we'll take out this line and we'll go back quite substantially from that point. If this was a 5, I'd be more encouraged to think this is a buying opportunity. But it looks pretty clearly an ABC. So this looks like just a corrective bounce at the moment, despite the sort of quite solid move there. This is betwixt and between. It could be an A, B, C. It could be a 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 perhaps, then a 4 and a 5. That should become clear quite soon. This rally can take out the high here, around 15,507, and that would, I think, be quite a big positive, really. But a failure to do so, I think, would suggest a downside beckons on the DAX. I'm now still seeing this fairly feeble bounce. So we've got a 1, ABC 2, decent third wave, and this move here, which no confirmation over yet, so this may want to go a little bit higher, but we have got a B, C type formation there. I mean, it could be an ABC, I suppose, A, B, C, but this isn't very encouraging so far, so I'm going to stick with the 5-wave count for the time being. On the Dow. Right, now it's getting a bit messy at the moment. I mean, this could be an ABC. I called it an A, in fact, but it could be a 4th wave here, so it could be a 5. ABC there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Possible 5. Well, this could be 4 to here, in fact. It doesn't yet overlap with 1, so that's a possible count. This is showing some promise, but it's all a bit jagged and not terribly impassive looking. I think it could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But not terribly. It could be a C wave, in fact. So this could be an A, B, C. So I think we're probably going down on the Nasdaq. I'm not. You see more really to suggest this actually is an impassive up move right now. Could be, but I will go with the negatives on this at the moment. That's all for today. I'll introduce all back from court the weekend. Have a great day. Thanks for listening. Sorry, back on Thursday, I should say. Have a great day. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.